PXI systems are ideal for high-performance measurement and test applications. PXI chassis come in a range of sizes, but all have integrated timing and synchronization between slots. These chassis can be populated with I/O modules from NI or third-party vendors to take a wide variety of measurements from DC to millimeter wave. You can control your modules with either an embedded controller or an external PC. The synchronization and key software features that PXI provides make it ideal for manufacturing test, aerospace and defense, automotive, and advanced research applications. PXI can be used with NI's specialized engineering software products such as LabVIEW and TestStand, or with third-party tools to create an application tailored to your needs. Use PXI for high accuracy, high speed, and customizable test applications.